Simple Stories makes amazing scrapbook papers. You can use them for scrapbooking, of course, but you can also use them for journaling, junk journals, card making. Their products are very good. This kit is called Say Cheese Epic. These are the cardstock stickers. You can see there are flags. There's some places that look like amusement park. There's a great border, all the countries. Then this page, all of these papers are double-sided, so I'm going to go through and show all of them to you. These you could cut out, or you could use the printed side, or you can do a combination of the two. There's another one that has the cutouts on the back. There are Chinese lanterns, which are really fun. And that one says China. There's Germany. So these would be great for that amusement park trip. Italy, America. Oh, I bet this one's Japan with the cherry blossoms. What do you think? Yep, Japan. Morocco. There's a really bright striped. France. Let's see, Scotland maybe? Nope, United Kingdom. Canada. And then we have Out of This World, Epic. But this is a really great kit, and here it shows you all the different papers that are on the other side. I can't wait to do something fun with this.